Let's talk about an issue that every manufacturing plant faces: factory downtime due to machine failure. Now what? You suspect a defective servo motor, but a replacement could take weeks, or the servo motor could even be obsolete. You might send it in for repair, but you'll still have to wait, while losing money in the meantime. Even if you replace with a spare, you're still only guessing that it was the issue. What if the problem is intermittent and returns? Mitchell Electronics Incorporated eliminates tedious trial and error by providing you with a servo motor and encoder testing and preventative maintenance process. It's so simple. In minutes, you can check whether your servo motor is defective, on the spot, before sending it out. This way, you only send out parts that actually need repair, saving hours of expensive downtime. Your top servo motor repair suppliers are already using our tester to quickly realign the encoder and run test the servo motor, ensuring it will work in your machine before it returns to your factory. Visit mitchellelectronics.com for additional information or to schedule an online product demo.